Hi, this is Chris again. I'm here to talk about Unit 64, example number 2, from the Mathematics for Machine Technology book by Smith and Peterson. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. The first thing we need to do is to analyze the problem. To find out angle x, what are we going to need to find? Well, it looks to me if I draw a line from the center of the angle next to x to the center of our arc, and we figure out angle 1 and angle 2, and subtract those two from 90 degrees, we'll get angle x. Let's see if we can do this. Well, what are we going to need to do? So to figure out angle 1, we'll need a, which we can get from the information at the bottom, plus o, which we can also calculate. We can use those two to calculate the hypotenuse, and using the radius for the other angle, we can calculate the other angle as well. It looks like we have all the pieces we need. Let's get going. First we'll calculate a. That'll be 282.43 minus 152.50. Subtracting those two, we get 129.93. Next we'll calculate O, which will be 306.08 minus 92.37 and 51.18 and 47.39, which will give us 116.14. Now that we have those two sides, for our other triangle we're going to need our other side, the radius, 5018. And then to calculate the hypotenuse, we'll use Pythagorean theorem and take the square of 129.93 and the square of 116.14, which gives us these figures. Added together we get this. Take the square root to both sides to solve for h, and h is 174.2707792. Now that we have all our numbers, we just need to solve for the angles. So in the first case we've got the adjacent side for angle 1 and opposite side, so we use the tangent function to solve for that. Putting in our values, 116.14 and 129.93, and calculating the tangent, we find that the tangent is 41.79244336. For our other triangle, we've got the hypotenuse in the opposite, so we'll use the sine function, substituting in our values, 5018 divided by 174.27 gives us 0.287943995. Look up the angle and it's 16.73490596 degrees. Add those two together and subtract it from 90 degrees to get x. So added together, that's 58.5273532 degrees. Subtracted from 90, and we have 31.4726496 degrees. And if we want that in degrees, minutes, seconds, that's 31 degrees, 28 minutes, 21 seconds. The answer to our problem. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we'll come back and enjoy some of our other lessons. Bye.